double kettlebell press is advantageous for the core and the hips over the single arm kettlebell press because there's more weight going overhead. And so the shoulders are working about the same as a single arm press, but because now you have double the weight overhead, it's gonna challenge that core and the glutes to work so you don't hyperextend. That's a big mistake a lot of people make when they're pressing. They hyperextend as they press. A lot of that tension is gonna go to that low mid back. So keep the pelvic tuck, don't flare those ribs, keep them anchored so you're kind of in that tight hollow body position. Draw the head back, center of mass as you press. Don't let the arms gravitate forward, the ass go back and the chest come up. Keep it all locked into place. Straight travel, up, straight travel, back down. Once you're done, rack the weights.